Hey everybody, I wanted to show you real quick how to share a link to your pixel art. Now I'm borrowing Lindsay's just to show you how to make this work. Once you're done with your completed pixel art, you're going to click this button up at the top that says share. When you click it, it'll give you an option on who you want to share it with. Now you can type my name in it, but even better if you click at the top where it says get shareable link, you can say anyone with this at Maumee City Schools can view it, copy the link, and then hit done. Then when you get over to this slide, if you click on the slide, you're going to then click on this insert link button. You can Control or Command K and paste it. So Command V, hit apply. So then now when I come back, if I were going to actually click on the icon, I can then be linked directly to your pixel art so I can view it. Hopefully that helps. If you have questions, please make sure you ask, and good luck with your pixel art.